Good evening, everybody. Thank you, Rosemuk, for creating this platform. Some short description or information I would like to give about the property called Navi Mumbai Premier League. A little bit about my background is I was a General Secretary of Mumbai Cricket Association from 2019 and presently an honorary Vice President of Mumbai Cricket. A very passionate about cricket. My family background is my sister played for India for 16 long years. She has played 5 World Cups. So we are all passionate about cricket, and cricket is a religion here. So why not have this good platform and exploit it? And we'll give some discussion about a new league which has been launched called Navi Mumbai Premier League. Some quick point about Navi Mumbai Premier League is it's been played in the part of Navi Mumbai, and it's an affiliated property of Mumbai Cricket Association. One of the biggest league you must have heard is IPL in the world, and it's been watched over 100 countries. But next to it, the Cricket League, which is coming up, even the Mumbai Premier League was watched by many countries, but after 2 editions, it was not been held for last 3-4 years. But this, especially Navi Mumbai Premier League, is watched, viewed in more than 38 countries all over the world. And probably it has a viewership more than Pakistan Premier League. So definitely people are more interested in this. And to give some info about it is, there are around more than 55,000 cricketers registered with Mumbai Cricket. And more than 16 players who are listed in IPL are also a part of this Navi Mumbai Premier League. So it's an hot property. It's coming in the part where cricket is developing and it's going like in fire. This Navi Mumbai Premier League owns an ground which is approximately 2.5 lakh square feet. And the plans are, right now the 2 editions are being held on the same ground. And the future plans are to have a stadium there, have a cricket facility, have an indoor academy, have a club like this, which is here right now, to come up there and to go ahead and have many more leagues for many more years to come. I will not take much time of yours. So this is one of a unique league which gives the platform for the players in Mumbai to showcase their talent and to perform well and try and knock the doors of IPL. Now IPL is the most sought league in the world. It has come even after Big Bash, but it has taken over Big Bash, and now it is one of the richest league in the world in cricket. So Navi Mumbai Premier League is following the footsteps of IPL. So we hope that it is not going to be far left behind, and in this coming years, this is going to be the hottest property of Mumbai and Mumbai district. So there are a few more colleagues of mine, my friends, who will be giving some short briefs about it. So I will not speak more about it because I'll leave something for them also. Thank you so much.
Thanks to everybody here present, and it's good evening. About Navi Mumbai Premier League, my lovely friend Sanjay Nayak has gave the entire description so well that nothing left for me to speak right now. So what I will speak at this moment, I was thinking all to say what Sanjay has said already. So here the biggest thing has happened that a brainchild of my colleague friends who happens to be past Joint Secretary of Mumbai Cricket Association, Shah Alam Sheikh Ji, and his colleagues, friends together came with the idea of Navi Mumbai Premier League 2 years back. As you all know, that Mumbai Premier League was a big success after IPL in Mumbai. But due to certain problem in COVID and then administrative hazard, this league has not happened from last 4.5 to 5 years. Even though we tried our level best, I, being a treasurer, Loda implementation says that Treasure will be part of Mumbai Premier League. So I also tried my level best from last 2 years the league to happen. But something and all came and it has stopped. I being the owner of 8,000 crore as a trustee now, not been able to do this tournament from last 4.5 years. So how Shah Alam Sheikh took a small part of Mumbai, which is known as Navi Mumbai Premier League, and he made this particular place such a beautifully styled administrative way that things happened from last 2 years. Last year he managed this tournament successfully. This year he managed this tournament successfully by playing on his own ground. So this league, why it became successful, there is a very big reason behind it, is a person sitting out here with a beard like Rabindranath Tagore, and he has come along with him the way he was supposed to. He's not only Rabindranath Tagore, but he said today also when he started with Shairi. You know, poet was Rabindranath Tagore also. So he said, मैं तन्हा ही चला था जानिबे मंजिल की ओर, लोग जुड़ते गए और काफिला बनता गया. तो काफिले में एक काफिले का सदस्य था शाह आलम शेख. I really appreciate Shah Alam Sheikh that he thought his vision has always worked, because I am close to him from last 29 years. A friend of 29 years, and you all will come to know a very important thing which rarely people knows it. इनकी शादी मैंने कराई थी, तो आज वो भी वहाँ बैठी हुई हैं और बड़े प्यार से हमको देख रही हैं. तो इनकी जिंदगी में जो कुछ भी हुआ है एक हिस्ट्री है, एक ऐसी हिस्ट्री है जो आप अगर सुनेंगे तो इतनी इंटरेस्टिंग बन जाएगी. आप बड़े बुक की जो लिखा है इसने आज तक. एक सज्जन, एक छोटा बच्चा जो हाफ चड्डी पहनकर मैदान से निकला था नौरोज क्रिकेट क्लब से, और जो ज़्यादा बैकग्राउंड तो नहीं बताऊंगा मैं, और आज वो नवी मुंबई प्रीमियर लीग सक्सेसफुली सेकेंड एडिशन करने में सक्सेस हुआ. उसका बहुत बड़ा श्रेय जाता है रोज मर्क प्राइवेट कंपनी को. सर, इफ यू से आई स्पीक ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ मुंबई क्रिकेट एसोसिएशन, if you say why I thank you, because you are part of Mumbai. And if I have been in the post of treasurership, my lookout is not only Navi Mumbai, it's a whole Mumbai when they come together. So if I cannot look out on the whole Mumbai, at least I'm happy that Roseburg managed at least a part of Mumbai successfully. Cricket event which was done with Shah Alam Sheikh and his company is part of your company now. So taking this great opportunity of successful sports with your company, I thanks, I'm proud, and I'm really wishing you that it should be more successful in coming year. I'm sure this Navi Mumbai Premier League, whether big league is played or not, but it has become a big league now, and the success will keep on coming to you. I'm sure in coming years, this league will be that league which everybody will love to come and watch. Even this year also they have watched. All the best everybody, and all the best Rosemark, all the best Shah Alam ji, all the best Purul Saab, and it will be it will be, you know, a place in your big organization. You will find that there is only one organization which is itself trying to make cricket happening, which is the religion of this country. इस देश में कोई बोले हम क्रिकेट नहीं खेलते हैं तो बोलते हैं यार ये तो हमारे समाज का बाहर का आदमी है. तो आज आप समाज के अंदर आ गए हैं, बाहर नहीं रहे. थैंक यू वेरी मच. जय हिंद.